Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Amplifi Teleport VPN bridge and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your teleport is not working or not connecting, or if it's not detected, any kind of issues like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. You're going to need to set everything up again. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If for whatever reason you just want to get this back to the way it was when it was new with all of the factory out of the box defaults on it, we can go ahead and do that. It's really simple to do. All we need to do is on the bottom of the device next to where the Ethernet jack is, we're going to find this reset button here. And so you'll need a paper clip or something like that to get into that recessed reset hole. And you're going to press and hold the paper clip for 10 seconds. If you press and hold for 10 seconds, that will initiate a factory reset of the device, allow it to do its reset, and you can go ahead and set it up as a new device.